Mom and I took another trip to, where did we go? We went to Lowe's. And I got some Black Kow. And I got some more plants. This time I got me a strawberry. I got me watermelon. This is the red watermelon. I got some mint. I got two kinds of tomatoes. I got the yellow, little red, the little yellow tomatoes, and I also got the little red tomatoes. And I got some basil, got some mint. I didn't buy the seeds this time because I felt like I'm starting late. And so I don't know if it's gonna be able to like sprout and grow and produce this year. So I got the ones that already sprouted this time. So I'm gonna put these into the ground today and we shall see. I forgot, I did buy some seeds. I forgot. I got some green beans. I got some cucumbers. And I got some carrots. So I'm getting ready to plant the string beans over here where I just made the hole at. So I'm gonna plant the string beans there. This is how many seeds I got. So I'm just gonna like scatter them like this. Got a grow pot. It's a cloth that I think that I'm gonna use this for my tomatoes. I think that's what I'm gonna use. My work is done for today. I was able to plant my green beans. I was able to plant some carrots. I was able to plant some cucumbers. Got me a strawberry there. I just made these 2 rows. So when my other vegetables that I put in the pot, when they start to sprout, then I will put them over here. But I just made those 2. I got me a red watermelon. And I planted my yellow watermelon over here last week. But, ooh. And here is my yellow tomato that I have. I think that's a mint that I put in there with it. And here is my red tomato over here with basil. I pair that with basil. But yes, this is my garden. I have been watering it today. I have been watering it. My mom put some okras over here. She planted some okra over there. But this is my garden.